Today we're going to bring a very good mount, and this is pretty much works for any kind of phone that you have. I was able to actually film with this. I was able to use this as a handheld, pretty much set on my phone. Was able to record. I was able to grab some of the areas I wanted to grab onto some of the tripods or maybe some areas that were hanging. My wife was able to use it to do some conference calls through there. Very simple, very flexible. If you guys can see, and very compact. It fits in the palm of my hand. The best thing I like about this, I'm going to show you guys. There's this little button here, and this is actually to grab onto anything right here. And of course, you're not going to be able to scratch it because it does have rubber ends in the back and the front, if you guys can see that. And it stretches off pretty good. Now, this whole thing is very flexible. You can use it for pretty much video production, selfies, TikToks, and a lot more. So very simple to install, very simple to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I have a desk here. It's a little dirty, but this is where I do my work most of the time. So I just end up using my email sitting here. And it's about 2:30 in the morning, but I'm always watching the front door, watching my house, surveillance. I have this little grip here. Not only works on cars, but it works on desks. Perfect. Other option I use to film most of the time when I'm filming here. I'm filming products right here. I use this as to stabilize my shot. Very simple to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.